The message that every YouTuber wish to get one day. Okay, so when you wake up one day and you see this message that YouTube is asking you to join their partner program, this is one of the best news that you will get to do. So after applying and getting monetized, the next thing is that you are going to turn on adverts on your video. So this is what this video is about. I'm going to take you through how to turn on or how to monetize your video. So I will take you step-by-step procedure that you need to follow. Please subscribe to this channel. So when you go to Chrome and check on the dollar sign, this is what you are going to see. So you just click on let's go and it will open for you to complete the application. Okay, so earn on YouTube. So ways of earning. So you can earn by watch page ads and then short feed ads. Okay, so these are the two main sources where you can also end your videos. Okay, so you just click on get started. We are starting with the watch page ads and then watch page ads. So you click on start and you scroll down to turn it on. Okay, so earn from ads and YouTube premium on the watch page. So you turn this option on and then what you have to do is that just take your time and read the terms and conditions of watch page monetization module. So you just go through it and then you scroll down to the bottom and you tick the box there which says I agree. After that you click on accept and then you move to the next stage. Now this is the ads format. This is how ads are going to be placed on your video. So how you review your ads default. This is the default version. So if your video is less than 4 minutes, YouTube is going to place the adverts themselves. Okay, so ads of my existing video. So we are going to turn on ads. Are we going to turn all existing videos or we are going to select this one? We have to make selection for the purpose of this video. So we are going to choose videos one by one. It is advisable to choose video one by one because some of the videos might not be advertising friendly. Okay, so it is advisable that you choose your videos, you make selections of those videos that you suspected that they are not going to be monetized or it will have limited ads on it. So you just select I will choose and after that you come to go to the list or go to video list. So it will take us to our channel content. Okay, so when we get there we are going to select our videos one by one. So just pick the videos one by one and then you turn it on. So as you can see, all the ads are off, the videos are on public, and then the adverts on the video, that is the dollar sign, that is the ads on it. There's the monetization is what off. So you just click on the video, you see this three dot line, click on it and then you see dollar sign there. So just click on the dollar sign and it will take you to video monetization. So when you get to this point, let's wait for it. So when you get to this point, monetization is what off. So what I'm going to do that we are going to turn it on. So just click take here, all right, and then you put it on and you click on done. Then after that you will see that the monetization is on. So these are the formats here. We have display ads, skippable ads and non-skippable ads. This is automatic because this video is less than 8 minutes, but we have a video which is more than or from 8 minutes upwards. You can add your own adverts to it. You can add mid-row ads what to it, but this video in particular is less than 8 minutes. So after this, all what you have to do is that you just go to save and then you save it. Just hit on save to what? Save it. Then after you save, it will take you back or your advert will show. So I will take you to my content and show you the advert, the video that I turned on the advert. So let's go and go through the content to see the video. So let's go and check. Okay, so let's wait for it to open our content to see the videos that I've turned the ads on. So you just scroll down to search for the video. So as you can see, so this is the video. As you can see, the monetization is what is on. The monetization is what is on. Now the next thing you have to do is that you just have to go back and turn on short feed monetization on. So you just click on short feed ads and you scroll down and you see turn on. So you turn it on, then you read the monetization module of for short, and after that you just agree, then you click on I accept. So after this you are good to go and you are done. So this is how you can turn on your monetization on videos and short videos and long form videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.